Yo guys, good evening. Back at live kita no, matagal-tagal tayo hindi naka-live, mga almost 1 year siguro, mura kita maka-live. Live online online singing. Alright. Start kita subong. Mga most requested ang mga kantaon naton. Siya kita mga nagbalang pilito naton subong. Kay climate check naton kasi kita to nagtubok. Hello sa itong mga friends and followers. Okay, may ano pa kita? May 30 minutes pa kita para magpa-live. Yes, talong kita 9. Okay. David Fumerans. Kaya makaya talang. The king and queen of hearts, only when the music starts, all my dreams come true. When I dance with you, when I dance, promise me mine tonight. I'll be waiting in line tonight, while the lights are on. Never let you go. Did I dream that we dance forever? Did I wish that we made together on a night that I pray will never wait? No, it's not my imagination on a pardon of frustration. Love is here of the calling nation. I'm the king, you're the queen of hearts. Many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'll find a way to me? Tell me what is this sensation? Pag-bless na gift, pakitaan ng bless. Your essence from an explanation. I want it to be that I was born. Yes, lagi kaya sa ko. You was written in the star. Stop-tapan nga live. Hindi lagi kaya magkanta daw. Nabinakuga kita magkanta subong. Kaya trangka sa tabi sipon. Okay, stay nga. Okay guys, thanks for watching. By the way, isa kong cellphone ginagamit. Nanguram lang ako para ano, kay nanay na. Alright, parang kita ko. Yapon.